Hi! In front of me is REALME 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now choose Connection and Sharing and tap on Print at the bottom. Following that, select Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this blue switcher. Then click on the back button and tap on Add Print Service. From here, you need to install the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Sorry, misclick. Now just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!